Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm just gonna play Press the Button. Why do I have this only? Because I joined the group and I'm already that great. How you want you? Oh my second. Oh no. Stop. No. No. There's green light, red light. No, there's some Squid Game. Ah! I'm gonna stop it. Dude, no! The moon is hurting my ears. Jesus, that's a big moon. Tango, wow! Hopefully this man, right? It doesn't knock me off. Whoa. Come on, go. I'm climbing so fast. Fast boy. Oh my. Yeah. I'm taking our stuff with us. 8, 7, 6, 5. Lift off. Woo! Oh no, okay. Whee! Ah. No, stuff on the ground. Whoa, clones. King stuff? I don't care about that. Air raid. Oh my, I'm lagging. Oh, jeez, Okay, let me just. Boombox, no. Wow, Shiba Inus and stuff. Now move it. I mean capybara. Let's cut to the next game.